0% interest, buy now and pay later. So this is a very trending thing. And is there any hidden cost behind it?
There's nothing called 0% of free lunches in this world. Like when they say 0%, there's a big cost involved, and that is a purchase itself.
Today we have with us Mr. Devang Agrawal, founder of Mind Your Savings. He helps individuals and families understand their home loans, manage debt, smarter financial decisions. Just starting with the year 2026, and is there a different debt strategy that we bring in with this new year?
So from responsible borrowing, we have come to the age where people are more indulged in impulsive borrowing. But now, right from your mobile phone till your appliances, everything is being taken on loan. There is a major shift which needs to be addressed urgently.
So we've always heard mind your business. What is this term, mind your savings?
Mind Your Savings is all about managing your money well, how to invest it, how to make it grow.
What is one financial habit everyone must have?
People feel that since the money is easily available, that becomes a cause of worry as well, because the spending is being done very haphazardly nowadays.
So when it comes to EMI, which was considered a very bad thing, like a burden, if you can say, from our parents or grandparents.
That EMI is not a bad thing. So people always confuse that EMI is bad. Irresponsible borrowing is something which you should avoid.